The topic of today's discussion is complex number. We must know the complex number, why it is needed. From the set theory, we see that the natural number of set is denoted by n, where n equals to 1, 2, 3 and dot 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 so on. The set of integers is denoted by z, where z equals to dot 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 -2, -1, 0, dot 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 8 and dot 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 so on. Set of rational number is denoted by q, where q equals to dot 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 6 by 5 and dot 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 so 2 by 3 and dot 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 5 and so on, where q is defined in the form p by q order, but q not equals to 0. The set of real number is denoted by r, where r all rational and irrational number belongs to the set of r. Etc. Despite knowing about the given set, we must know why we need to discover the set of complex number as a new set. We can write the equation in the form x minus 1 equals to 0, x minus 2 equals to 0, x minus 3 equals to 0. Solve this equation. We have x equals to 1, which imply x equals to 2 or x equals to 3. These are all natural numbers. These are all natural numbers. The values obtained from the given equation are all natural numbers. Now the given equation can be easily solved through the set of natural numbers n. Again, when the equation written in x plus 1 equals to 0, x plus 2 equals to 0, x plus 3 equals to 0. Solve this equation. We have, which imply x equals to -1, which imply x is equal to -2, which imply x is equal to -3. X equals to -1, x equals to -2 and x equal to -3. Then this equation cannot be solved through the set of natural numbers. Then a new set z is required, where z is called the set of integers. Again, when the equation written in the form 3x minus 1 equals to 0, 2x minus 5 equals to 0, and so we have, which imply x is equal to, solve this equation, we have 1 by 3, which imply x is equal to 5 by 2, and so. Then this equation cannot be solved through the set of z. Then a new set q is required. which contain positive and negative numbers. Again, while the equation are written in the form x square minus 2 equals to 0, x square minus 5 equals to 0, we have the equation, solve this equation, which implies x is equal to plus minus root 2, which implies x is equal to plus minus root 5. Root 5. Then these equations cannot be, then these equations cannot be solved through a set of rational number q. Then a new set R is required. Which contains both rational and irrational numbers. In fact, all the equations found in the real value, all the equations found in the real value can be solved through the above set. But the problem does not stop here. Mathematicians were trying to solve many difficult equations which have no real value. For an example, x square minus plus 1 equals to 0, x square plus 3 equals to 0. Therefore, x is equal to plus minus root over minus 1. Then x is equal to plus minus root over minus 3. Are not real values, but to reach the specific goal, it is necessary to solve the problem. Then, to publish such numbers, a new set is needed, which is called set of complex numbers. It is denoted by C. Swiss mathematicians Leonhard Euler in 1772-83, he was the first to use I equals to root over minus 1. Therefore, I square equals to minus 1. That is, he first to use I symbol and solve the problems. He also used both. Pi and E symbolism for the first time. Pi and E symbolism. Okay.